When it comes to creating a comfortable and enjoyable living environment, your windows play a bigger role than you might think. For homeowners looking to upgrade, Slider Windows offer a practical solution that delivers long-term comfort and convenience. In Mandeville, where warm temperatures and humidity are common, installing Slider Windows can make a noticeable difference in how your home feels year-round. One of the most significant comfort benefits of Slider Windows is improved ventilation. Slider windows open horizontally, allowing one or both panels to glide along a track. This design creates a wide opening that lets fresh air flow freely into your home. In Mandeville's climate, where proper airflow is essential, this helps reduce indoor stuffiness and promotes a healthier living environment. With better circulation, your home stays fresher and more comfortable without relying solely on air conditioning. Consistent indoor temperatures are another key advantage. Older or poorly functioning windows often allow drafts, leading to uneven temperatures throughout the home. Slider windows, especially when professionally installed, provide a tighter seal that helps prevent air leakage. This keeps cool air inside during hot months and reduces temperature fluctuations between rooms. The result is a more stable and comfortable indoor climate for you and your family. Energy efficiency also plays a major role in long-term comfort. Modern Slider windows are built with features like insulated glass, durable frames, and advanced sealing technology. These elements help reduce heat transfer, meaning less outdoor heat enters your home. In Mandeville, where cooling costs can be high, this improved efficiency helps your HVAC system operate more effectively. Not only does this lower energy bills, but it also ensures your home remains consistently comfortable throughout the day. Another benefit homeowners appreciate is the abundance of natural light Slider windows provide. Their large glass panels allow sunlight to enter your home, brightening up your living spaces. Natural light can make rooms feel more open and inviting, improving both mood and overall comfort. At the same time, modern glass options help minimize heat gain, so you can enjoy a bright space without unwanted warmth. Slider windows also contribute to a quieter indoor environment. Their tight seal and multi-pane glass design help reduce outside noise, creating a more peaceful atmosphere inside your home. Whether you're dealing with neighborhood activity or everyday outdoor sounds, this added noise reduction enhances your overall comfort and allows you to relax more easily. Ease of use is another factor that adds to long-term satisfaction. Slider windows are designed to operate smoothly with minimal effort. Unlike windows that require lifting or cranking, Slider windows glide open effortlessly. This makes them especially convenient for homeowners of all ages and ideal for areas that are harder to reach. Their simple operation encourages regular use, allowing you to take full advantage of natural ventilation. Low maintenance is another comfort-related benefit. With fewer moving parts, Slider windows are less prone to mechanical issues. Many designs also make it easy to remove or tilt the panels for cleaning, allowing you to keep your windows clear and functional with minimal effort. This convenience means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Durability also contributes to long-term comfort. High-quality Slider windows are built to withstand changing weather conditions, including heat, humidity, and storms. In Mandeville, where environmental factors can impact home materials, having durable windows ensures consistent performance over time. This reliability means you won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements. Finally, Slider windows enhance the overall livability of your home. By improving airflow, stabilizing temperatures, reducing noise, and increasing natural light, they create a more enjoyable space for everyday living. These benefits add up over time, making your home feel more comfortable, efficient, and inviting. In the end, installing Slider windows in Mandeville homes is about more than just upgrading appearance. It's about investing in long-term comfort. With their combination of functionality, efficiency, and ease of use, Slider windows provide lasting value that homeowners can enjoy for years to come.